Fidget Cube, the most popular anti-stress toy from the Kickstarter. So I ordered a couple for my experiments with some other cool stuff, so stay tuned guys. But let's look what's inside. Stress, restlessness, there are so many people that could benefit from using this Fidget Cube. Even kids and toddlers have been found to really enjoy using this. So, let's start. The body looks really solid. Well, just look, it was really easy to open. So, what's inside? Those looks like keyboard switches. And here we have this spinning cogwheel. This anti-stress thing stresses me out. Oh well, I've tried. Hot knife is always handy, right? So let's continue. Done. This part was holding the body from opening. Here we have a switch. Let's try to open it too. What is this part for? It is metal. Do you guys know what it is for? So, here is everything that was inside such a small cube. I'm sure I will never put all that back, but now I'm feeling relaxed just to know what's inside this anti-stress toy. Hope you guys like the result. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.